Hey everyone, Rod from Outback Armour. Today we're going to do a quick run through on servicing of our adjustables with the top adjustment and also the bottom adjustment as well, to make sure that you keep them working smoothly and you've got years of life out of them. Probably once a month is a good chance to just run through your dialing, making sure it still sounds and clicks like normal. If it is starting to get a little bit notchy, the best thing you can do is give it a service, and always, if you can find before it gets completely seized, obviously that makes it a lot harder. So I'm going to run through servicing the top of an adjustable. So you're going to take the top off, where you just crack the Allen key inside, remove the dial, and then we're going to be using our spanner is actually crack the top. Take it all out, including the grub screw underneath, because as you can see there is actually two pieces. Take them apart. We're going to re-grease those with some lithium-based grease. We'll put a little bit in there top as well, making sure they go back together when you're putting them back together, and then turning them back in and down, making sure that they stay together. Nipping that up, top one going back on, and then running through, making sure you got all the range that you had before. So to set the adjustables, you go all the way to hard, which is clockwise, till it no longer turns. That's your 0 point, and then from there you count back from there. A good starting point is about 10, so you count back 10, 1, 2, 3, 10. That's a good starting point to go firmer or softer from there as you need. Okay, so here we've got the rear adjustable shock off a 200 series. So for servicing the adjustment on any sort of rear shock absorber, a shaft with a click assembly with a grub screw. We're going to run grease on those and then a little bit into there. These ones can sometimes have some shims on here, so you do need to allow for that, and then need to go back in, put the back together and wind it back in. Once that's in, do a little nip with our trusty spanner and then run through the whole motion again of setting them up. Hey everyone, Rod from Outback Armour. If you like this video, like and subscribe, as we'll have more YouTube videos coming out soon with tutorials and information as much as we can give you.